Riwruok ma jo surbe ma pacho ka okwedo tim ma osebedo ka timore mar jodak maonge kod lope donjo e lope ji giwegi. Kaluwore gi jakom riwruogno Abraham Samoei, buche mag lo gin mapek kendo jotelo ok winjo donjre e buche mag lo manyayo kuo gi ketho mwandu. Gikwayo jotelo mag weche mag lo mondo mi otiek buche mag laro lo e kind jodak giwegi.
After the 2007 elections, land reform was identified as an essential component of the Kenya National Dialogue and Reconciliation process. A number of issues and measures were undertaken to address this issue. A number of measures were undertaken, one being the establishment of the Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission, TJRC, which among other things investigated the historical land injustice. In its conclusion, they provided a comprehensive chapter on land and conflicts. We think this is the right time to revisit that commission report and address the matters that were raised. The institution demands that politicians stop using land as a weapon to do politics. Land is politically sensitive, and a mix of issues relating to access to land and politics is a dangerous mix. We also demand the protection of all property as enshrined under the Constitution, as provided under the Constitution, regardless of who the owner is.